So my friend them said me should have continued with the story time, but boy, me no want to rub me out. But I know about that way already, but me never go down in the library part. I'm afraid. Cause when I tell my father say I go in the library and got a man yard. When you would have rolled in your girlfriend with the doll that I do them time there. So anyways, we have one little man. Period. So we never allow him to see the boy. We don't know we in strict and stay. Woman like doggy. So my father big on education. So my only go outside was library because of course we're gonna send me to the library to fuck him. I'm gonna be a sparks. Here I am. Anyway, now the man said I got a library, so you know what I do? I ain't got no library. I go to the boy yard. You see when I go to the boy yard, me and the boy write out the SBA in the project book, everything out of one textbook. The information that come from out of the textbook. But at least it do. And can I tell you which library lock 7 o'clock? I left my yard from there, gone to go. So you know Daddy Wayne catch up on the dollar. Daddy Wayne catch up on the dollar. Machine. So anyways, now we ain't find out about me and the boy and the happenings. You know, we ain't not say nothing shocking though, right? We ain't not say nothing. We ain't just make me a carry and I got library. Dogo. One man, no ear, stubborn. We ain't have me up. We ain't not say nothing. We ain't just a watch me. So one evening I come in, cause I remember said the boy me I talk to no one, and the boy I take care of girl. So the boy buy me one pink sliver. All who know sliver phone say aye. The boy buy me a pink sleeves. When I get the pink sleeves now, me I tell her, we and say, I save and buy the phone. Don't forget money from 120 I get for gas school. The fuck? We ain't just wait till my out the road cause one thing I got careless and we ain't go in at the phone. And if you look at girl, I'm shame because them conversation they with me all them time there. Vibes Cartel up straight. Vibes Cartel tune lyrics me right out. I want the boy know the twin get to anger. Liquor girl. Go on to school, go take on the education here, girls. Anyway, you know, we ain't going in at the phone and thing. We ain't still not say nothing. Fear day come up. Treat come up. Jones Avenue Jamboree come up. Birthday come up. We are not say nothing. We are not say, alright, look, girl. One like you can't take big people for fool. Tell her, oh, we in terrible. We ain't make me go one street dance at Jones Avenue. All who come from Jones Avenue know me not tell them about clot lie. I say me in at the party at Jones Avenue, I'ma put down some take. We are go take it to them room ram pound a carrot me and the boy a doodle in at the dance. And a wine and grind, you know them wine the way you go so. You know them wine the way you brace up back on the boy cause you make the boy feel it, yeah. And the whole Jones Avenue I say, yeah, Chrissy, book bop. We ain't just wait till morning light out. Yeah. You see when morning lights out, girls, me just hear dirty Chrissy. But we ain't not do that for. We ain't wait till the party over. And just start calling me some blood clot. We ain't say drawers them where you have pile up in the blood clot house and them there you have to go wash. We ain't bring me down.